This 413th Australian Oceania Channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology has a severe weather warning in place for damaging winds for the southwest, the south coastal and parts of the lower west and greater southern districts over there in WA. Damaging winds possible with another cold front moving through the southwest of the state during this morning. A strong cold front moving through the southwest of the state this morning. A second stronger cold front will move over the southwest land division, southern goldfields from later Sunday evening into Monday morning. The cold front currently moving through the southwest of the state may produce damaging winds averaging 70 and 80 kilometres an hour with peak gusts to around 100 kilometres an hour that could cause damage to homes and property this morning over southwestern parts of the state. Winds will then ease through the warning area after 10 a.m. local time. Moderate to heavy rainfall likely over the southwest lower west districts, and tides in Geographic Bay are likely to rise above the normal high tide mark. Whilst winds will ease through the current warning area after 10 a.m, a second stronger cold front expected to affect an area southwest of a line during Bay to the southern cross to Israelite Bay from 8 p.m. tonight through the Monday morning. Damaging winds with gusts to 120 kilometres an hour, abnormally high tides, dangerous surf, likely with the passage of the second cold front. A warning for the second front will be issued later Sunday morning. Locations which may be affected: Albany, Bunbury, Busselton, Katanning, Mandurah, Manjimup, Margaret River, Mount Barker and Perth. Wind gusts of 98 kilometres an hour was recorded at Cape Leeuwin at 3 a.m. this morning. And the Bureau also has a gale warning in place for the Perth local waters, the Perth coast, the Bunbury Geographic, Leeuwin and Albany coast. Strong wind warning, Geraldton and Lesserland coast. And on the screen is a look at the Bureau of Meteorology's 12-hourly rainfall outlook, and the rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. And coming up in this update, we have a look at the winds at the 850 millibars level and precipitation and pressure. However, what's going on in the capital cities? 12.4 Sydney, 8.1 Melbourne, 17.1 here in Brisbane, 16.9 over in Perth, 14.2 Adelaide, Hobart, 7.4 Canberra, 8.2 Darwin, 28.2 current temperatures. Late shower or 2 expected in Sydney. Sunny Melbourne, shower or 2, morning drizzle here in Brisbane, and we've had about 4 millimetres of rain in some areas. Showers, possible storm, and Perth is under that severe weather warning. Adelaide is sunny, also Hobart, mostly sunny in Canberra, and sunny in Darwin. Now here's a look at the precipitation and pressure. The information's at the bottom of the screen. Each of these images are 3 hourly images, and from 7 a.m. through to 2200 hours Monday. We will continue to bring the latest local information, and we've also got our eyes on a couple of areas of interest in the South Indian Ocean. Biometeorology is also monitoring a weak low, and here's a look at the total forecast of rain. So we have two invests over in the South Indian Ocean. One came on the radar overnight or earlier today local time. And it's not unusual to see a tropical system at this time of the year. And if you haven't already subscribed to our earthquake channel, please consider doing so. And bye for now.
Thank you for watching this production of Force 13. For more information on Force 13 Australia, you can check us on all of our outlets. Our website, force13.com, where we are overhauling the website and writing new articles for your reading pleasure. We're also on YouTube, keyword Force13AU. You're probably there already. Good chance of that. If you are, hit that like and subscribe button to keep getting updates like this one coming to your mailbox. We're also on Facebook, keyword Force13, where we post our updates and keep an eye out for our live coverage on there as well. And we're on Twitter, keyword Force13AU. And if you want to rock our colors, you can do so by way of our store, or you can contribute to the project directly by way of Patreon. More information can be found at patreon.com/Force13. And you can reach out to us on Skype at Force13, or directly to us at Aussie_weather01 at extension 6388 on Discord, or you can join our server with our new link at discord.gg/Force13.